Hello there. Yo, what's up? Here we have a baby gardener snake. You see the beautiful crescent. So we finally set up. Very fun day. Finally here with my best friend, the Unit, aka Pression. His real name is the Unit. Right now we're just waiting for the fire to warm up and then we're gonna get dinner ready. Dinner time. Homemade fries to go along with the potatoes. You know what we got. The steaks. Montreal steak. Garlic and herb. Salt and pepper. Oh yeah.
This tastes so good, man. I remember the first time I had a steak.
Anyways, I think that's gonna be it for tonight. We got some cool things planned for tomorrow. It's gonna be one of the hottest nights. Coldest it's gonna get to is feels like 25. That's it from us. Good night. Finally get a chance to test out my new pocket bellows.
How you make some plans in the forest. Clean up all the dirt, get some fresh soil available. We want to do something simple. Times 2 plus 64 equals the plans.
I'm telling you that saw is magic.
This is the cross member for the A-frame. Basically notched out our markings here just so that we know where to cut. You want to make a cut, do that on the other end. A bunch of little slices. Chip this out here.
Above?
Yeah, it would kind of hold on the knot.
Yeah. Hey. When I have an engineer with me, I'm capable of great things. We just heard thunder, so hopefully it rains. I just heard it again. Lunchtime. Lobster. That wraps up episode 12. Definitely one of the most productive episodes. Very happy I got to come out here with my boy, the unit. We built quite an impressive shelter. Sad that we're gonna have to leave it here. Very special trip coming next week. The OG Ali's gonna be making a return. That's right, my brother's coming back. Bruce backcountry trip. Thank you guys for watching. See you in episode 13.